All right, for your next activity today, the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to click on the microphone, and then you are going to have an adult or someone around you read this card to you if you're not able to do it on your own. So the first one in the top left corner says, place 4 red trapezoids together. What shape can you make? So you're going to click on these 3 dots and on shapes, and you're going to go find a trapezoid, and then it says that you need 4 of them. So you're going to click on the 3 dots below and then click the plus sign, which means it's going to copy it. So then there's 2, 3, 4. So you have your 4 trapezoids that you can turn them and put them together. You can turn them around, to make a new shape. Let's see what we can make here. And you get to decide what you want. Oh, I can make a big trapezoid, or I could move them around and make something different. So you're going to take 4 trapezoids and make a bigger shape out of them. Next, the card down below here says place 3 triangles together. What shape can you make? So I'm going to go find my triangles, and I'm going to copy them so that I have 3 of them. And then I can move them around to make a bigger shape. When you are done, click the green check mark to send it to your teacher.